Before we begin, you might need the following tools to get the job done. Make sure you have all the required Knotwood materials for this system. To begin, install the U-channel along the axis where the geometrics will be placed. If you are installing it in a corner, it will be necessary to trim the ends at an angle before positioning them. Once in place, screw the U-channel securely into the supporting surface. For the next step, place the first geometric in position and screw it into the U-channel through the access slot. Once that's done, place the spacers pieces next to the geometric and insert it into the slot by pressing until you hear a click. Repeat this process until all geometrics are in place, making sure to insert the spacers between each one. To finish, close the sides by inserting the end caps into the slots used for screwing in the balusters. If any end of the system remains exposed, use the specific end caps designed to seal the open ends of the U-channel. And that's it. Now your new stunning Geoline solution is complete. For more information, contact us or visit our website.